You're here, I'm queer, and welcome back to my channel. So I wanted to make this short video as an annex to the Cloe doll, as if you watched it, you know that her face is completely sun-kissed, and her body is completely not. And so I'm here to fix that. And yeah, obviously I did want to blush her body as well for the first video, but then I hesitated because MSC really changes the texture of the body, and over time it can crack when you play with the articulation too much. And so I'm like, I don't know if this is worth it since the rest of the girls aren't body blushed. But then I don't know, it obviously it bothered me as well as some of you guys, and so here we go. So let's go ahead and jump straight to the doll for the body blushing. Obviously, we're gonna try and match her body with her face. So over here you can see the body is still shiny. So when I spray it with Mr. Super Clear, as you can see, it is now matte. And that's why I try not to body blush articulated dolls anymore. It's because it changes the texture of the doll. And obviously because it's still going to crack at some point, you know? It's not really permanent. But nevertheless, we are gonna go ahead and body blush her. And I'm just gonna use my pastels, the same colors that I use for her face, roughly peaches, pinks, orange. And I'm gonna just body blush everything. Obviously, the effect of body blushing is really beautiful, just because it does obviously match the face. You know, we put in so much detail onto the face, and then the rest of the body is just plain solid color. So that's why body blushing is really beautiful. It's just, like I said, no matter what, the joints are gonna crack at some point. And that's why I only reserve body blushing to the static figurine dolls like the Ursula, the Kim Kardashian, the Kitty Ann, and all that. And I also want to give her freckles. Why not? We're already here. Might as well detail it some more. And so I want to give her freckles on her shoulder that travels a little bit down her body. And it's the same color as the one I used for her face. So pinks, burnt sienna, and ivory. I really do like the effect that body blushing does. It's just so unfortunate that when you start playing and posing the doll, it will crack, but it really kind of elevates the look of a toy doll into kind of like the realm of BJDs or ball jointed dolls, and I really like that. And really, to emphasize the beachy, sun-kissed glow, I am highlighting her décolletage, and actually also her, like, elbows, her hands, her knees. That's, you know, the points, the articulation points, really. And I am layering the highlighter again with Mr. Super Clear because when you spray it, when you seal it, it does kind of disappear. So you want to, you know, kind of build up that layer. And now I'm just brushing off some excess here and there. And as you can see, she is finally completed. And wow, I mean, goodness, I should have done this in the first video, but my goodness, I mean, it's definitely a better result. The body definitely blends in with her face a lot more. I just have to be careful on posing her and touching the skin because I don't want to get her dirty. Now that she has MSC on her, she is more prone to becoming dirtier. So we just have to be careful about that. Now let's go ahead and dress her up again. And now we're done.